YouTube, and today I'm going to show you another review on the Unity Ammo Pack 1. Here is a good view of it. The set number is 97037. It is 8 and older, and it comes with 23 pieces. Here's a good look at the box. You can see the new Halo 4 Marine. Got some pretty good detail to it, but I'll show you the figure and the weapons rack in just a moment. And here is how big the instruction manual is. It's not very big, it's only one page, but it folds out. There's a look at all the pieces that it comes with. And so now on to the thing itself. So as you can see here, you have your standard Halo 4 Marine. Good detail to it, but it's just plain black. It's really good, and it comes with a backpack. Pretty good features. I would say he's pretty game accurate, except for, his color. He's got a visor. They haven't used a different kind of visor, but I kind of like that color visor. And here is the rocket launcher. It's the new Halo 4 rocket launcher, and it's got really good detail to it since now they gave you a colored one. And if you just hold on a second, I'll give you a review. I'll show you, I won't show you a comparison because you know what it looks like. But this one just has color, really good detail. It's different from the other one. It's only got one thing for your hand to hold on. It's got a peg hole right there to where you can stick a, you can stick a peg in there, and you can attach it to the figure's back on the peg hole that he has. So, like I said, this is a really good, awesome rocket launcher. Now on to the weapons rack. As you can see here, you get a traffic cone. Just a standard orange traffic cone, no detail, no nothing. And the weapons rack is pretty cool itself. The base plate that it sits on, just one thing. You don't have to build it or anything. It's just one plate, base plate. And so here are the weapons. You get a battle rifle, really good colored battle rifle. Let it focus. Okay, it won't focus, but you get a good colored battle rifle. The colors are silver and black. Well, I guess you could call that. And then there's a little red dot right there. I don't think you can see it. It won't really focus. Let's see. Okay, it won't focus. And then you can see the white on the scope. It's only got one white. So there's the battle rifle. Really great, good detail to it, I'd have to say. There that is. Here is your standard Halo 3 assault rifle. It is also colored along with every other weapon. It's got a green dot right there. It's got nice detail to it. It's just that I wish it was the new Halo Reach design. I like that kind of design better. But all in all, it's pretty good. Another assault rifle. So there it is. Good luck to it. And so now you get 2 grenades. One fell off. But they both look the same. Just a regular grenade. It's pretty cool, but I wish this had color to it, but it doesn't. None of the grenades do, but it'd be pretty cool if Mega had added color to it. But it's just a tiny little grenade. It's really cool. It's my first grenade. And so that is basically all for this review, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later.